I hope he gets here in time. I know he had such a long run and it's so hot. I'm still waiting. Frick, we are so late. It's supposed to start at 8:45. It's past 8:45. I don't know where he is.
It's so nice. Wow. I love it.
It looks great.
So bright and airy.
Yeah. Well, we made it. We are here in Mexico, the Mayan Riviera, and we actually, well, we're gonna be here for a whole week.
Yeah, we're hanging out at the Luxury Bahia Principe Akumal. Beautiful, right on the water.
And we have a lot planned. We're gonna try and keep this week jam-packed full of all kinds of stuff, as well as relaxing.
Yes.
As well as relaxing. But we figured we might as well take you guys along for the ride. Okay, I got the drone, 2 GoPros, I got my good camera, I got this bad boy up and running, and Leah is in here getting our cups ready. How are you doing?
Oh, just cleaning out the bubbles. Oh, you're still stuffing it, Tim.
I know, I left that in there by accident.
So gross.
I mean, that's what kind of why I asked her to do that job. So we got our cups ready to go, so we have beverages while we're on the road, and I think that's everything. I think we're set. All right, let's go on our adventure.
Oh my gosh. Okay, it is so hot. We're supposed to be meeting for the excursion right now, 8:45. Probably getting on that boat. Anyways, Tim forgot the little slip or a little ticket, so he's gone, ran over to the other side of the resort. I hope he makes it back in time because everybody's already over there getting lined up. I hope we make it. Oh shoot, there he is. There he is. He's running right now. Oh my gosh. Hurry, hurry, hurry. How hot are you? No, we gotta go right now. Come on.
Oh my God.
See, they're already getting on. You must have ran so fast. You ran so fast. Are you okay?
Yeah.
You're so tired.
That sucks.
You're so tired. Okay, we gotta go.
On your face?
Oh, I'm so hot.
It is so incredibly hot. Now, here's the thing. I don't want to complain about being hot because it's cold back home, and here we're in beautiful Mexico, but Tulum Ruins, okay, we're on the beach right now, ready to go back into the boat and go snorkeling. We're just having a breather in like the little bit of shade that we could find. It was so hot at Tulum.
So hot.
And also, I don't feel like we know anything more about the Mayans.
A very long time ago, there was a civilization, the Mayans, that lived here. And I forget.
The Mayans lived here and they left because, I don't know.
Our guide was lovely, but he was trying to do Spanish and English, but he switched so quickly between languages that you're like, oh, what did he just say? We're not sure if we even
he spoke fast in general.
Yeah, very. So I don't know.
And I feel like we skipped over things. Sorry to cut you off, but like I feel like we skipped over things, right? Like we came in, we kind of skipped that thing on the left, and we went to the next building.
I kind of wish that we went by ourselves.
Yeah, I feel like
But it was
reading the plaques would have given us more information.
No, it was just really tricky, and it was so rushed, so you weren't able to like film what you wanted to.
Yeah.
I just want to jump in the water now.
Yeah, it's super hot. Snorkeling should be fun. So let's go do that.